Next demo, Castopod. Castopod 2 version 2.0 has plugins, and so may hear something about it from Benjamin.
Hello, everyone. So I'm pleased to talk to you about Castopod today. So if you don't know what Castopod is, it's an open source podcast hosting platform which is connected on the Fediverse. We're celebrating its third anniversary. Castopod version 1 was in 2022. And we celebrated our 1,000 podcast on the podcast index last Sunday. So if you need to know anything about Castopod, you just have to go to castopod.org. Basically, Castopod is two things: podcast hosting, so that you can listen to any of the usual apps, and also on the Fediverse. So as you can see, it looks like a Fediverse feed as you are probably used to. Next thing, if I go on the admin panel of Castopod, you'll see that here I have a Fedi podcast. I can edit it to select anything. I can also add an episode the way you would do in any podcast hosting platform. Basically, it's just MP3 plus RSS feed. If you go then on the Fediverse, for instance, on Mastodon, then you'll be able to, let's say, like or reshare or comment any content that was published on Castopod. And of course, if you go on the admin panel, I'm gonna reload here. You can see that you have notifications here. So basically it's RSS plus ActivityPub. So what we've added now is a plugin system. So we just released today the Castopod plugin website, which is a repository where anyone can host and upload plugins. Of course, the website itself is open source. Everything is open source thanks to NLNet. So how does it work? I close this. Here, I have a plugin section here, and I can see all plugins that have been installed here, and I can activate or deactivate them. Let's say here I have a plugin that removes the email in the RSS feed. So if I go here, you can see that somewhere here, my email address is here. So now I'm going to activate this plugin. And if I reload this, oh, it's gone. So how do you create plugins? The best option is probably to read the documentation, which is available on docs.castopod.org, and we haven't released on the latest version yet, so you have to go to the develop section. And here you will see how to create one. It takes like seconds or maybe minutes to create a plugin. It's very easy. Just follow the basic steps here, and within minutes you'll be able to create a plugin and to install it on your Castopod installation. If you want some more information, so I'm going to scroll up. Yasin, who has been developing most of this, just posted an article on our blog, on our blog server. And that's it.